What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be making a duck jumping game. This might sound cool, but it's very cool. So what we're gonna start off is having when this button's clicked. But let's not get to that. We're gonna get to that second part. So what we're gonna do is press repeat 10, and then we go to motion and put change Y by 10. This actually shows how the character jumps. So when we when we press this, he goes up. So we're gonna put this character right down. But I'm gonna get a new character. So what I'm gonna do is get a duck. And this cat, he's gone forever, sorry. And then we have to get a we're gonna get a for I'm gonna get a forest. And I'm gonna add another sprite called Rock. You can make anything you want about it. It's up to you. You can choose anything you want. Now, what we're gonna do is put go to control, and put repeat. Okay, repeat, and then go to motion, go to change by 10 by Y, change Y by 10, and then what we have to do is put another repeat and go to motion again and get the same exact code. But this time you have to put it to -10. So now let's check the code. We have to push this, okay. Oh, it's for the rock. So you see the rock moved. Um so we have to put these. The best method is just basically just copying and just minus by 10. It's the easiest way, by the way. So, but I'm just showing you guys how important it is to be slow. But and then yeah, and then we go to events and then press when space key click. So he jumps down. He jumps. So what we're going to do is make a variable. Make a variable called score. Wait, no. Okay. Now we have a score. So now we're gonna go here and press when space keys pressed. Now what we're gonna do is go to variables and change my variable by 1, and then we're gonna put it on top. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be adding something so valuable. So what we're gonna do is make him like right over here, okay? And then I'm gonna go to event and I'm gonna press get when clicked, and I'm gonna go to motion. The exact position this dog is coming will be updated by this code. I'm gonna put this code in here, and then I am going to and then what I'm going to be doing is go to variables and then press set my variable to 0. When it's not variable, my score, and put my score. Make sure you look at this, it might not be good. So as you can see, he actually does that. He actually like goes over the rock. So now when he jumps, he can actually kind of like jump over it. Like he can jump over it, which means he gets it. But this doesn't make any sense because he can jump multiple times until he can jump over. So we're gonna go to the rock, and we're gonna go to event and put when clicked. I'm gonna change my rock size to 75. this is a your rock has to be smaller than your sprite. So this actually kind of changes um the way you like you can jump over the rock. Also, I changed instead of rocks to rock because it doesn't make sense why you're jumping over rocks. Okay, so when the green flag clicked, I'm gonna put go to this position. It doesn't have to be exact. And then glide 1 second to done. Well, yeah, glide 1 second to done. Okay, put that here, and then okay. Now when you press it, he he goes up. So okay, so wait, where's the rock? Oh no, I'm gonna duplicate this rock. Um, so um, so I don't know. What's going on? Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this rock over here, and this let's just angle it properly. Okay, so what we're gonna do is glide to this position, but let's make it to minus. So now we have this bit gliding to the other side. So let's start it off. We have to put when clicked. Okay, but anyways, he glides to the other side. So now I'm gonna put him right over here, and we're gonna go and we're gonna say go to that position, and then we're gonna go to events and put when green flag clicked. So and then right over here, when green flags clicked, you can jump. But our size is size. So I'm gonna change to 75 like usual. So as you can see, the size, he actually he jumped over it because the size was small. He was able to jump over it. So we're gonna start off. As you can see, it is actually good. And now instead of gliding, you glide somewhere else. So now what we're gonna do is when the rock touches the duck. Okay, we're gonna do when the rock touches the duck. We're gonna say stop all. So we're gonna go to control and get stop all. And then we're gonna go to no, we're gonna go to stop all. We're gonna go to motion, and then we're gonna say, oh no, I lost it. Oh no, I lost it. Yeah. Okay, right now, if then we need a strip of line code. No, it's not that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get if touching duck duck if touching duck, and now what we gotta do is say wait until touching duck, stop all. And we're going to say start when green flag clicked. So right now I'm purposely not going to do anything. But as you can see, the hitbox is right. No, yeah, the hitbox, yeah, was right over here, and the duck touched it, making the game stop. So let's start the game. Oh no. Ooh, the game is on. Okay. So a variable, we're gonna change by one when he jumps over the rock. So what we're gonna do is put it right here and say to score. Now when we start, we have to go here. Wait, using wrong position. Okay, so I have to go to motion and say go to X this position. Okay, so now let me like put it, and then see he goes to that position. But right as you can see, the duck is gone. So when we press play, the rock goes forward. So what we gotta do is change this. This is really hard to understand. We gotta change this upside down. When clicked, go to and then we are going to say repeat or forever. And then if we just press play, as you can see, I got 3 score 3. You can see some glitches and how hard it is, so it is kind of simple and you can get the hang of it. And there you have it. Boom, voila, you have your own game, a jumping game with even a score on it. But as I promised, I'm gonna make a frequency high. But for this bit, what we're gonna do is also do the same thing. Okay. What we're gonna do is you're gonna do high because when the walk is coming, everything's same. So they will literally be stacking on top. So then they're gonna wait 1 second. I don't want to wait 1 second, so yeah, I can say 9 seconds or even 3 seconds. They're gonna say wait 3 seconds, and then I'm gonna say show. And that means it's gonna be like he's gonna come after like a while, showing that how like it's gonna happen. So yeah. Instead of 9, I'm so sorry 3. I'm gonna put 1.5 seconds. You know what? 2.5 seconds. Oh no, 2.5 seconds. So now there you have it. You have duck with the frequency like getting more. The frequency like hammering. Wait a second. You can just infinitely farm. So instead of that, we're gonna change this and put a score here. And now we're gonna go to rocks. And then we're gonna go to variable. Change my score. Change my score. Change my score by 1. When rock 2 is when rock 1 is clicked, what we're gonna do is we're gonna change this to go here. But change forever, change my score by 1. It's not gonna change anything. But no. Okay. So instead of chat, we're gonna like change it. So we're not gonna like have that. We're gonna put it back. So um so when it says right here, stop all, we're also gonna change and set my variable, or I'm gonna change it to my score to 0, and also per here set my score to 0. So now when I go 1, oh, so wait until set my score to 0 and then stop all. Oh yeah, it's my variable. This is my variable here. So let me put score. Okay, so now when we start, oh no. Okay, so see when the game pauses, the score just changes. Oh, the so hard to do. So what we're gonna be doing is basically we're gonna add like levels and backdrops and even more. So I'm gonna see you in the next video, guys. So bye bye.